Hello, my name is Florian Edukaushe, and today I will be explaining how to find the intersection and union of two sets in C#. Okay, so basically the functions, writing up functions for these two without using the built-in methods. Okay, so for the intersection, what it means is that the items that are in both sets. Okay, so the elements that are in both sets. And the approach I'll use is to look through one set, check if each element is in the other set, and collect matches. So I'll pick one set to loop over, then for each item I'll check if it is in the other set. If true, I'll add it to a new results. Okay, now the complexity is O n plus m, because membership checks in a hash set are usually O1 on average. So for example, if I have the set 1 2 3 and another set 2 3 4, the intersection of these two sets will be 2 and 3. Okay, those are the common elements. Now for the union means all items that are in either set, so that is bringing the two items together, right? So my approach would be to copy one set, then look through the other and add each element of the second set. So I make a copy of the first set. For each element in the second set, I'll call an add function, then return the results. The complexity is also O n plus m, since each element is visited once. Now if, for example, if we have 1 2 3 union 2 3 4, that will give us 1 2 3 4, since we are putting the two sets together. Now note, we don't repeat elements. Okay, we just take it once. Okay, so to find the common elements, as intersection, is to find the common elements between the two sets. The time complexity, as stated earlier, was O times m, where n and m are the sizes of the input list. And the space complexity is this, okay, for the result list. Alright, so having set 1, let's say we key in set 1 and set 2. There is a function that we will create. Okay, so a list of the function set 1 and set 2. So we look through the sets, okay, and to find each element from the first set, okay, and we only add items if it exists in set 2 and it hasn't been added already. Alright, so this is the conditional statement, and we use the add function, then we return the results. Okay, so for the union, we combine the two sets while removing duplicates. Okay, so the time complexity is the same, but the space complexity is different, okay, from that of the intersection. Alright, so this is the input box of the set 1 and set 2, and this is the function. Okay, so for the union, we add all unique elements from set 1, okay, by looping through the elements in set 1. Then we check for duplicates using this condition and return. We then add it to the add function. Then for the second phase, we add all unique elements from set 2 and loop through the items in set 2. Okay, we only add the items from set 2 that have not been already added. Okay, then we return our results. Okay, so this is an example, okay, one that one can use to test the intersection and the union. So this is how I would handle it. this is the functions I would write as per the case study. Thank you.